Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I created today's very voluminous soft waves. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I did it, then just keep on watching. So my hair is currently silky straight, as you guys can see, and it's actually getting really long, which makes me really excited. Not sure if you guys can tell how long it is, but it's pretty long. And today I'm going to be using this little guy right here, which is my BlowPro wave maker, and this is 1.5 inches. Two things that I really like about this wand is that one, it does not have your average barrel. It is more of an oval shape. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but it is a little bit flatter on one side. And two, I like how this is digital touch. And before I show you guys, let me just wipe it down because I have my fingerprints all over it. So basically you press this button right here to turn it on, like so, and then you are going to start seeing the temperature go up. Currently the temperature is locked at 370, but you are able to adjust the temperature right here, and in order for you to unlock the lock temperature, all you have to do is press 1 on the power button and then you can adjust it like so. The box does come with a temperature guide for any of you that are a little unsure of how hot to make your hot tool. I have mentioned before that my hair is pretty thick, so I went ahead and put my temperature up to 400, locked it, and now it's considered high temperature. Now before I put on my handy dandy glove, I am going to start by parting my hair. So I first followed that same part that I had all the way down to the back of my neck, and now I'm going to section this in half and clip this part up right here, and same with this side right here. I do have more hair on this side just because of that shave that I have, so I'm going to start with the less hair side first. And now for hairspray, I'm going to be using this one right here, and this is their blowout spray, which is non-sticky and lightweight, so it's going to be perfect for that movement that I want my hair to have. So I'm going to section this part right here into threes. I'm not going to mess with this little chunk right here just because you won't even be able to see it. So I'm going to part that into threes, and I'm going to use that front and backwards method. And basically what that does is give your hair more of that flowy look. So what I'm going to do is grab my curling wand like this, and this would be essentially a forward curl, if you guys can see. So I'm going to wave that around and hold. And now this is my first curl right here, and now for this next section right here, I'm going to curl that back. So if you guys can see the difference, now this is facing the back of my head, and curl. And now this last section right here, I am going to split into two just because I do want to continue that pattern. And essentially you want that first curl to face back, you don't want anything inward. So sectioning that off, this next one will be going forward. And I do like to hold this anywhere between 10 to 15 seconds. Once I feel like it's more than enough, just let that bounce off. Okay, now I'm just going to run my fingers through them to make them just mold together. And now this is what I'm working with right here. And now I'm going to go ahead and spray this section down, and then I'm going to move on with curling this side of my head. Okay, so now that I have finished all of the sections in my hair, I'm going to do one final spritz of hairspray just to make sure they are going to stay in. And sometimes I do like to leave my part down the middle, but because I have less hair on one side, I kind of like to just maneuver it all over. So what I like to do is just massage my scalp part and then start maneuvering my hair towards one side like so. So there's technically no defined part, but it just makes my hair look more voluminous. And then one last trick to make your hair extra voluminous is just to start piecing the bottom part of your hair. And for example, this little piece right here, all you could technically do to add volume is grab the very end of it and start piecing it up, and then comb that frizziness, and then you do end up with a lot more volume. Okay, so that is it for my hair. You can definitely get a lot more curl out of using the wand if you wanted to. I just personally wanted the loose, beachy waves, voluminous hair, and that's exactly what I got. But that is it for this video, guys. I really hope you liked it. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.